it's me, Patrice, and today we're going to take a closer look using the Cam Home Black Box security system.
So this single unit in-home security camera is super sleek in design, as you guys can see. I love that it's all under $60 too. That's really a bonus. But you'll get any alerts anytime the smart sensors detect any movement. It also features a canceling microphone and speaker set to record sounds and broadcast your voice. And get this, how cool is the night vision?
So if you're a lot like me and you've seen the advertisements but just wasn't quite sure which way to go, I hope that you enjoyed my overlook and that it really helped you make a better decision on which way you wanted to go with moving forward with getting a smart home security system. So I really do appreciate you guys taking time to watch my video. My handles will be below, so please make sure that you follow me on patricenicolealways on Instagram and subscribe, click that subscribe button, and leave comments because I really do appreciate those comments. It just motivates me and it just means everything. So take care, guys. Peace.